Some of our goals on the large scale here would be to set it up for the future of the next generation. And the biggest thing we just did here was this 75 by 160 barn for our equipment. I see the future. The equipment's not getting smaller, and we want to keep growing with equipment. As a first generation farmer, I had to look into ways to do things more efficient. Now, I look at a project and I'm going to say that's going to take 4 hours. And another guy might look at it and say, well, I'm looking at 9 to 10 or 2 days. And I'm like, time is money. To start up a farm, you need to find what makes you happy every morning. And when you have somebody that actually loves what they're doing, they will do it to their fullest. There's enough challenges that go on each day that you can't help or prevent, but yet you have to overcome. The challenges are a little bit harder on a first generation farm family.
I feel like being off your phone or no TV, that you can do more stuff, your life is more fuller, and you don't just sit on the couch watching TV all day.
You can't be all work and not play, and especially with the young ones, you know, they have to realize we do have fun and we do have something gorgeous to enjoy in the evenings.